Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to draw Peely from Fortnite. I'm starting here by mapping out the proportions, how high the head is, the body and the legs. Then I start putting in some construction lines. Here you can see that I'm doing the legs, working out where the knees are, and I start mapping in where the head is, the top of the head of Peely, and some of the details and outlines. I do it this way because it's easier if I need to change anything, I can just rub it out. Once I'm happy with it, that's when I can put in all the details and the outlining with a Copic multi-liner. But you can see, working in pencil, you can be free and loose and you can get those really cool curves that Peely has. Doing it this way and mapping it out also enables you to get the whole picture on the page. You don't want to start with all the details and it doesn't fit, or you have to change something and it doesn't quite look right. I've had that happen to me before and it's not much fun. I'm just going to speed that up, show you how I would go about the drawing. Remember, you can slow it down and pause it at any stage that you need to. I hope you can follow along and draw Peely. Remember, the more you draw him, the better you're going to get at drawing him. Hope you're having a good time. Keep going, keep persisting. It's all about the details. At the moment, we're just doing some outlining. The coloring's going to make a huge difference later on. If you need to, remember to pause or slow it down at each stage that you like, and you might need to re-watch some of the parts as well. Hey, if you've liked the video so far, hit the like button. That would mean the world to me, and you may consider subscribing to my channel as well for more awesome future content. Let me know if you've got some other favourite Fortnite characters that you'd love to see me show you how to draw. Make sure you comment below and I'll see what I can do. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had a good time drawing Peely. Remember, the more you practice your drawing, just like video games, the better you're going to get. Till next time, I'll see you. Cheers. Bye. See ya.